Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another new win in Zara haul. Just to let you know, if you're liking my outfit today, I got these really beautiful cross earrings and then I'm wearing this like burnt orange off the shoulder top, and then I like the ends. I don't know, it's just got a little slit there. It's a little fun. I will put a link in the description bar if you are interested. Both items are from Rival Closet. But without further ado, my lovelies, let's get into this Zara haul. First item that I got is something that I was so excited about when I saw it on the website. It's this kind of like chain detailed pleated skirt. I love the gold detail. Even though I'm not actually a gold person, I actually like the gold hardware. It looks really nice here. It doesn't look cheap. It looks like real gold, you know? I really like that. I got this in a size extra small, but look at the print. I know it's very summery, very springish, and I know we're currently in winter, but summer is coming soon. If you dream it, it will come true, honestly. And if you're going on a holiday, so you know, you can wear this. But I think this is so cute. I love the belt. It's just giving me like Hermes vibes, you know, very elegant and fun, and I just love the colors. So I would personally pair this up with a crop top, and I'm just going to open this crop top now for you, my lovelies. This is not from Zara, it's from Rival Closet as well. So it's just a cute little crop top, straight cut, and then it's just got these really fat straps. So I would wear this, and then I would have the skirt as well. But I'm going to try it on so you can actually see what it looks like. But I think that's going to look really cute. A really nice summery outfit. So here is that skirt and top on. As I say, the croppy top is from Rival Closet. I'll put it in the description bar. And the skirt is from Zara. Love the skirt. Completely in love with it. Really fun, really girly. I love the movement. I love when skirts do this. I love the design of it. I love this whole look. I know I keep talking about the earrings, but this whole look just looks nice. The hair, the makeup, the earrings, the top, you know, it's just a whole look, and I just want to wear this whole outfit out. Like, I'm so excited by it. I feel so comfortable, but at the same time I feel really sophisticated and classy, and I feel like, you know, I would get really positive looks. Like, people would be looking at me and smiling, thinking, oh, where did she get that? You know, I just feel confident in this, which is the most important thing. Ooh. I put some hand cream because, girl, I just saw my hands. Woo! That was not nice. We were seeing ashiness. That's because I just washed my hands. That's why it was ashy, because I wanted to be nice and clean for you guys. Okay, next up, I've just been into color these days. I really want bright and vibrant items. So I got this spaghetti strap kind of mustard dress. I guess mustard gold. I'm not really sure what the color is, but all I know, it's beautiful. Like, come on, look at that color. Ooh, it looks nice on me. And we can wear it with these beautiful earrings. Oh, that would be a look. How nice is that? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got this in a size extra small. So it's only $29.99. Now, first of all, material quality is so good. That's why I always shop at Zara, because I know that generally, I'll say like 80% of the time, the quality is good. You always get the odd item, but it is good. So you've got the extra material for the boobage area. We've got nice spaghetti straps, which we can adjust at the back to make them feel a bit more comfy, and so it's not drooping down. If we go all the way down, have we got any slits? No, no slits. We're not showing off any legs, but this is a beautiful dress. The color, it's stunning. Zara, like, who's your designer? I want to work for you. This dress got me feeling so sexy. I love this dress. I know. I think this look, it's a whole look. Come on, I'm a whole snack. With the earrings, with the dress, with the hair, the makeup. Valentine's Day come through, hey? This is beautiful. Really elegant, really fun. I decided not to wear a bra, so you could have a lot of fun on Valentine's Day. Not wear a bra and just, you know, bend a little bit forward. But you do have spaghetti straps, which I would probably just tighten up just to make sure that not everyone can see. Just you and me. Just you and me. But this is a beautiful dress. Fits so well on. Let me go all the way back. Can you see the height? Sorry if you can't. But I just feel like it just works so nice. And just looks so nice. More colour. I got, yes, I got the bright yellow blazer combination. Come on, you know I had to get it. I love this. Look at this color. It's so freaking bright. Summertime is gonna be amazing. I am gonna be rocking this. I got the pants in size extra small, and I got the blazer in a size, ooh, where's the tag for the blazer? Oh, I got that in extra small as well. So the blazer is $89.99 and the pants are $39.99. First of all, material is very good, nice and thick. I could wear this in springtime. I could technically wear it now, to be honest. I don't feel like I would be cold wearing it now. Potentially in summer, maybe too hot. But you know what, sometimes you get those days in summer when it's not that hot. But this, I love the color. I'm just so excited about this. I know it's not everyone's taste, but I think this is going to look so beautiful on. I would pair this up with either black boots, like black leather, like vinylish, or some really nice white block boots. The pants do have pockets, we like that, and a zip, and then you've got the two hooks. And then going on to the blazer, my buttons, you got beautiful black buttons, and then we do have pockets on each side. I think we're going to have to make a hole. Oh, yeah, you have to go into the lining. You're going to have to make a hole going into the lining. It's okay. We got padding on the shoulders. It's a really beautiful blazer. I love Zara blazers. They really look good on a woman. Do you know what I mean? Like, they're very put together. They really do fit a woman's figure. Like, you know what, like a man figure and a woman figure is different. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like Zara ones, they really fit well on me. They really look sophisticated, but not overly sexy, because sometimes you get the blazers that really just want to show off too much, but Zara just has that really nice balance of being professional and sexy, just in between, and I just really love them for that. But yeah, this is amazing. The material is thick, as I said. I'm not sure what the material is called, but it is a really nice thick material. It's not hard on the skin at all, but the color. Oh my gosh, I feel like a managing director, a CEO, a president of a company wearing this look. It's a very bossy look. I've paired it up with this satin white top from Rival Closet. Again, I will link in the description bar. But wow, the color was a lot. It was a lot, but having it on now, oh my god, I feel so freaking, I feel so bossy. I feel so confident in this outfit. Like, I just feel like on top of the world. It fits so freaking well on me. As I say, it's an extra small. Even the trousers, they're not too long. I will have to wear heels, but heels are just going to even increase my confidence. Like, this is stunning. It's so amazing. I would personally wear it probably open, but I will show you what it's like closed. I'll close that up for you girls. There you go. As you can see, really well fitted on me. This is what I was talking about Zara. Like, it's not super tight where I feel uncomfortable, like it's trying to show up everything, but it's really well fitted and where I feel comfortable and I feel sexy but not over the top. Like, I feel bossy. I feel so freaking bossy in this. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love and love. Show you the back. Next up was something red. As you can see, this haul is all about color. This would look so nice with my Fenty Beauty red lip. Do you like that? Have you seen my videos of that? It looks nice, doesn't it? Really weird design. I don't even know what's going on. Extra small, $29.99. So, okay. So it kind of goes across like that. We haven't really got a neck in this. And then it's one sleeved. It's just doing a lot, this top. I'm really confused by it, but it looked really cute on the model. It would look nice with some white pants. You could wear the black leather as well. That would look cute. But it's just a funky little top. I love the design. Really funky. Material is nice and thick. Can wear it in this season. Very thick material. Really, really nice. This red top is mad cute. I love the design of it. It feels so nice and it looks really nice on. Like, I think it works really well with the gold earrings. So it's got that kind of one shoulder, just showing off one, just one. Can you see? It's just a little bit off the shoulder. And then on the other side, we're all covered up, and then it kind of has the half. But it's beautiful. It's very professional but fun. You could wear it as a fashionista or you could wear it to work. Like, you've got so many options with this top. I just love the colour. And as a look, this whole thing would look so nice. I will show you the back as well. And again, I'm really sorry about the pipes. I realised it's actually not the pipe, it's the radiators. So I'm hoping that someone's gonna come and fix them because they all are making the noise. So really sorry. Lastly, I got this like black, I don't even know what it's called, really long top, I guess. As you can see, so it's got this kind of mesh detail, and then these little dots are velvet. How cute is that? Really nice. I like this because I'm just a crazy woman and I just thought this looks so nice. Ooh, and this is satin. Ooh, that's beautiful. So it's like, I don't even know what it is. It's like a cape, it's like a jacket, it's like a dress. It's just everything. Of course, you can't wear it like this. You have to wear something underneath. So, ooh, it's size extra small. Sorry, I'm going everywhere. Don't know the price because it's in euros. It's £39.95, but I guess it'd be like 30 something pounds, and yeah, I don't really know the exchange rate. What I would pair it up with is this black dress from Rival Closet, and so it's just a simple bodycon dress, just in a jersey material, but I would wear this underneath this. And then it just makes that pop a bit more. You know what I mean? Just gives it that extra bit of shine. I think that's going to look really, really cute. So here is that black dress from Rival Closet by itself. Really pretty. It's got a nice stitching effect. Jersey material. Really comfortable. Not see-through at all. Really good quality. I'm going to put on that jacket dress thingy. So yeah, here is that look. I think we need a belt. I don't own a really nice tight waist belt. Unfortunately, the one that I have is too large. But I feel like a belt would just make this look a lot more sexier. But because we're wearing that kind of bodycon dress, can you see? It gives that really nice effect. This is really cute. A belt. Oh, look. It's just snatch the waist. How much a belt will just even lift this dress up just even more. It's so stunning. I love the button detail. Just really fun. Just something to just make your outfit just stand out a bit more. Zara designers, claps to you. Like, you always come out with such beautiful items. This is so cute. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up because I got some beautiful items for you and I know you enjoyed it. So don't forget a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is Payda101 and I will see you really beautiful, lovely, kind people in the next video. Bye.